everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to send money from Saudi Arabia to Philippines. Now let's start with the first step, which is to open the STC Pay app and log in with your PIN or biometrics. Now from the home screen, you will see quick actions, so tap international transfer to start sending money from Saudi Arabia abroad. So the STC Pay is one of the most popular and lowest fee options for OFWs. Next is choose PH or Philippines as the recipient country. Then pick how your recipient will receive the money. So it can be the bank deposit, which is BDO, BPI, Metrobank, and etc. It can also be cash pickup, which is Cebuana, Palawan, Mluwilier, or lastly is the mobile wallet, which is GCash. So GCash is the fastest, usually within minutes. Next is enter your recipient full name, so exactly as on their valid ID, and also with their mobile number with +63 prefix. And lastly is the bank name, which is BDO Unibank, and also provide the account number and city. So make sure just double check the spelling. The Philippine banks reject transfers with mismatched names. Next is type the amount in SAR that you want to send. So STC will instantly show the converted PHP amount based on today's exchange rate. So the transfer fee is usually 0 SAR for STC Pay customers rather, to continue to review. Lastly is confirm the transfer with your PIN or OTP. So you will get a transfer sent successfully with a check mark screen with the reference number. So Gcash and mobile wallet transfers arrive within minutes, while bank deposits within few hours. So share the the receipt with your recipient just for sure. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.